Now, one of the things I have been loving is learning how to shoot and shoot well. Now, I am no videographer, but I do know that sound is such an important part of the experience. So right now, the video you're watching, we're using the camera's internal mic. And don't get me wrong, like the mic is giving what it's supposed to be giving. But check this out. Okay, I can't. We're elevating. We are elevating. Okay, we're elevating. Let me unbox this baby with you. Let me unbox this baby with you, for real. So, this is the Boya universal cardioid microphone, and it's compatible with your smartphone, tablets, DSLR cameras, and consumer camcorders, as well as audio recorders. What's great about it is that there's no battery required. There's no battery required. It has a windshield that comes with the mic. Listen, for me, those are the most important things. So where's this? Don't be coming for my nails now. Y'all heard the sound, right? So the mic comes with a few essentials, such as a bag. There's the actual mic with the wind protector, which is awesome. Cute little stand. As well as 2 different attachments. All right, let's put it to the test. There we are with an updated mic setup. I don't know about you guys, but I feel like it is definitely giving a difference to the overall video quality. Let me know what you think, and if this is a mic that you would like to check out as well. A big like huge heartfelt shout out to one of my amazing friends, TK, for gifting me this mic. Baby, listen, the community is doing what it's supposed to do. We're supporting, elevating, and just making our content even more worthy of watching.